In this video, you will learn about the eLearning module. As a part of your organization's quality process, you can not only audit agent-customer interactions, but you can also create and monitor e-learnings for your agent. To access the eLearning module, click on the eLearning icon on the left-hand menu bar. The dropdown will give you two options. Script Builder. This is where you will build the e-learnings you are going to make available to your agent. And Manager. This is where you can view your agent's progress on the assigned e-learnings. Let's start with the Script Builder. You will see the interface is very similar to that of the main script builder for your operation, and you will build the e-learning scripts in the same way. At the top, you can select the e-learning script. You can edit that script, duplicate the script, delete the script, preview the script, or push that script to live. And in the top right corner, you can click on Add New Script to add a new script. When you click on Add New Script, you're going to be prompted to give your script a name. The script type is going to be e-learning because we're creating it in the e-learning module. One of the main feature differences of this script builder is you will not be able to assign to different channels of interactions. Instead, you'll be able to assign this script to agents or groups. Scrolling down, you can select campaigns, queues, tickets, and databases where this e-learning will function. These fields are for reporting purposes only and are not required. Next, you need to enter a time frame or a date range that this e-learning is going to be available and set a default page. Once you've configured everything, click on Create. Now you can start adding elements to your e-learning. As before, you can decide what you want to make available to your agents. A best practice is to give your agent different elements to interact with and then add questions to test their knowledge. For this example, let's look at a previously created e-learning. Here we provided an instruction. You can add images, PDFs, and links to content, and then add a question to test their knowledge of that content. Just as with quality, you have the option to assign a points value to those response elements. Once you have finished configuring your script, you can preview it, and if you like it, you can push it to live. If you want to view your agent's progress on the e-learnings you have assigned, go to the e-learning icon on the left-hand menu bar and select Manager from the dropdown. Here you can filter your e-learnings by e-learning name, by agent or group, by campaigns or queues, and by status. On the left-hand side of the platform, you'll be able to see all of the e-learnings that you have available. You can view their name, the start date, the end date, the agents assigned to those e-learnings, the number of agents that have completed those e-learnings, the percentage of e-learnings completed, and the average rating on those e-learnings. Under status, if the clock is green, that means it's available. If the clock is gray, that means that e-learning is no longer available. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list ranking the best agents by average score. You can see the agent name, their average rating, and the number of e-learnings that they've completed. Scrolling down a little farther, you'll be able to see the best e-learnings determined by the average rating. You can also see the number of agents that have completed the e-learning.